Hey there, GRE warriors! Today I'm diving into a word that's not only going to boost your GRE verbal score, but also add a touch of sophistication to your everyday conversations. That word is affectation. So what does affectation mean? In simple terms, affectation is behavior, speech, or writing that is artificial and designed to impress. It's when someone adopts a mannerism or style that isn't actually natural to them. Think of the friend who suddenly starts speaking with a British accent after spending 1 week in London. Yeah, that's affectation. Now you might be wondering, why is it crucial to know this word for the GRE? Well, the GRE tests not only your knowledge, but also your ability to understand and use sophisticated vocabulary. Words like affectation are often sprinkled throughout the verbal section, especially in reading comprehension and text completion questions. Recognizing and understanding such words can be the difference between a mediocre score and a stellar one. The more comfortable you are with high-level vocabulary, the quicker you can decipher complex texts and answer questions accurately. Plus, using words like affectation in your essays can show off your linguistic prowess to the admissions committees. But how do you remember such a fancy word? I've got a couple of tricks for you. First, try associating affectation with a visual image. Picture someone putting on an overly posh accent or wearing an outlandishly fancy outfit just to seem sophisticated. That's affectation in action. Second, use it in your daily conversations. Next time you notice someone acting a bit too pretentious, casually drop the word affectation into the conversation. Trust me, it'll stick with you. And since we're on the topic, let's practice using affectation in a sentence. Here we go. Her British accent was pure affectation, picked up after just 1 week abroad. See how it adds a layer of depth to the sentence? By building a robust vocabulary, you're not just preparing for the GRE, but also enhancing your communication skills for future academic and professional endeavors. Remember, mastering words like affectation can open doors and set you apart in a sea of applicants. So make it a habit to learn and use new words daily. Your GRE score and your future self will thank you for it. Alright, that's it for today's word breakdown. Keep grinding, keep learning, and soon, you'll be acing that GRE with ease. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more GRE tips. Catch you next time.